Did you know there are from 1,700 to 2,200 different parts in the average vehicle? Now, most parts will last the lifetime of the vehicle without much attention from the owner. But why take a chance? With periodic or scheduled maintenance at our service center, which specializes in Toyotas, you can protect your investment, increase your vehicle's performance, and add years of service. Most of all, regular service will help avoid costly major repairs. To ensure your Toyota receives the periodic maintenance it requires, review your owner's manual and follow the factory recommended maintenance schedule. The schedule is based on years of experience and evaluation and is broken into 3 service intervals: minor, intermediate, and major, or sometimes referred to as A, B, and C. Each interval in the maintenance schedule is broken down by miles driven and a period of time, and all generally recommend an oil and filter change, lubrication, tire balance and rotation, and an inspection of multiple vehicle systems, from the front and rear brakes to the suspension and gearbox to the cooling and exhaust systems. A thorough inspection can catch minor repairs before they become a major and more costly problem. We can help you schedule a service appointment to make these suggested repairs as needed at our Toyota authorized service facility. Additional service requirements like engine timing belt and fuel filter replacement can vary by model, but should be completed at the appropriate mileage to avoid expensive and potentially unsafe failures. To keep your Toyota looking and running like new, rely on our Toyota service professionals and follow the factory recommended maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. The combination is the best insurance you can have against unexpected costly breakdowns.
Quality and convenience you can trust, and the best in automotive service. That's Toyota Sunnyvale's new state-of-the-art service department. Featuring the most current diagnostic and repair equipment available, you can rest easy knowing that our highly skilled, factory-trained technicians deliver efficient, quality vehicle care in a clean, secure environment. Choose Toyota Sunnyvale for all your automotive needs. We're conveniently located in the heart of Silicon Valley at 898 West El Camino Real.